Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset Pepperstone demo account. In this walkthrough, we'll refresh your demo balance from the Pepperstone Secure Client area and show an alternative if you prefer a clean slate. Start by opening the Pepperstone Secure Client area in your web browser. If you see a sign-in screen, log into your account to continue. Once you're in, head to the section for your trading accounts and switch to the demo view. Clicking Demo will display your demo profile, including the platform it's linked to and your current balance. Next, choose Deposit for your demo account. In Pepperstone, topping up a demo account is the practical way to reset it. This is especially helpful after heavy testing, drawdowns, or when you simply want more virtual funds to continue practicing. On the deposit page, you'll see sample amounts you can select. Pick one of these preset amounts to quickly bring your balance back to the level you want. These shortcuts are designed to save time and avoid manual entry. After selecting the amount, click Fund Now to confirm. The credit is virtual and processes almost instantly. Return to the demo page to verify the update. If the new balance doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or briefly navigate away and back to the demo tab. Keep in mind, this method adjusts available funds only. It won't close open positions or clear your trade history. If you have active trades, consider whether you want to close them before topping up, so your equity reflects the reset you're aiming for. If you'd rather start completely fresh with a brand new demo profile, use the Contact Us option from the Secure Client area. This takes you to Pepperstone's contact page. From there, reach out using the listed channels and request that your current demo account be deleted so you can create a new one. Be clear that the request is for a demo account reset via deletion and recreation. Share only the non-sensitive details support might need, such as your demo account number and platform, and avoid sending any passwords or private information. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Topping up your demo balance doesn't change your platform type or account settings like leverage or base currency. If you want different settings, that's another reason to request a new demo through support. Also, if you're testing strategies, note the time and date of your reset so you can compare performance fairly from a defined starting point. That's it. You've reset your Pepperstone demo either by adding funds or by requesting a fresh account. Happy practicing and successful trading.